Hey guys, so today we're making one of my favorite dishes, Spaghetti Aglio E Olio. What is it? Spaghetti with garlic and olive oil. Can't get easier than that. Let's cook! So this dish, it comes together fairly quick because there's not much to do, but it's all about technique. Garlic, olive oil, parsley, pasta, and the pasta water. That's all you need. So I have some water over here. We're gonna heavily salt it. That's gonna go for the spaghetti. And now we're gonna get the garlic chopped up, chop up the parsley, and get going. Finely chop or slice your garlic. I like to thinly slice it, just like Polly did in Goodfellas. So next up is the parsley. You wanna bunch it up, and then you're gonna chop it nice and fine. Keep chopping. So the parsley is added just towards the end of the dish, just to add a little bit of freshness and color. So you don't want to overdo it. So let's get the pasta going. So we're gonna salt the water. Get your pasta in there. You got a pan here, and I would say low to medium because we don't want to burn the garlic. We're gonna add the olive oil. You want to coat the whole pan so that all we see is olive oil. So let's toss in the garlic. We're gonna cook the garlic in the olive oil till it becomes a little bit fragrant and gets a touch of color. So I cooked some garlic earlier, made my house smell like and that's what your dish is gonna taste like if you burn your garlic. So if it looks like that, toss it out and start over. So we wanna take the pasta about 2 to 3 minutes before it's fully cooked because we're gonna finish the cooking in the pot and create that emulsification with the pasta water and the oil. Okay, so at this point, pasta is ready to go. So we're gonna bring this over. We're gonna get a ladle of pasta water. Now, olive oil and water don't mix too well, so you're gonna hear a sizzle and it might get a little bit of smoke. So just be careful here. This is when we're just gonna mix everything together. Okay, now we're gonna add the pasta. All right, so this is the crucial part. You're gonna mix and toss that pasta and start forming that sauce. So see that there? That's the thickness you're looking for in the sauce. Just before serving, add that parsley, mix and toss it in. There you go, all done, time to eat. Spaghetti Aglio E Olio. There it is. Simple enough to make at home. Super delicious. Hope you guys give it a go.